Alright, today we're actually gonna open up or unbox the iPhone 12 Gold. So originally we ordered the silver and the Pacific blue, and my wife was gonna have the Pacific blue, but she said she didn't like the color, so we had to return that one, and the restocking fee was applied when you order it to T-Mobile. And today we got the gold and we're unboxing it, and she's pretty excited. So it comes like this, and there it is. Let's go see what's inside. Maybe it's another Pacific blue. So we'll see how it goes. Let's check it out. She's super excited in the background. OMG, here we go. iPhone Gold. iPhone. Here we go. Woo! Oh my god, here we go. Here is the gold. Oh my god, is it silver? I'm just kidding. So this is the gold. It looks super nice. She wanted a gold because women like gold. Look at that. And this is my silver. I didn't exchange mine. This is silver. This is gold. See it? Do you see the difference, babe? Not really, huh? Not as much, but
turn it around. It's a little bit yellowish in the back.
it's a little yellowish.
The back.
The back.
Turn it.
Still cream. This is the silver.
Show it together so they can compare.
This is the gold. So let me turn it on for the very first time. So you just hold down the power button. I've already transferred all my files on mine, but she hasn't started hers. So that's how it's going to be. I think it's pretty quick. It's probably gonna say hello, hola. There we go. And there you go, folks. That is the iPhone 12. Here's the back, and here's the front. Pretty cool, huh? There we go. One more time. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. Hope you subscribe. See you later.